Hey guys, here's a very quick tutorial showing how to set up Pabbly with our latest version. We haven't updated our Pabbly tutorial in a while, so I figured I'd make a new video. It's a lot easier now. All you have to do is hover over whatever you want to scrape on the page and click Add to Cheat. It defaults to CSS Selector now, so you don't need to change that. And we click Send to Webhook. Okay, and then when you click this no-code module, it highlights what we're scraping, and it's going to ask for a webhook URL here. So then we go to Pabbly, Pabbly Connect, create a workflow, the first step is always a webhook, and click copy. Go back to cheat layer and paste in this URL. Alright, and then all you have to do is go to File Run or hit Control R to send the data, and it will be in Pabbly. See? So the data is now here. In our next step, we maybe set up sheets.google.com. Pabbly needs column names, so just put something here and make sure you click out of it. That's the only thing Pabbly really needs. And we click in step 2, click Google Sheets, click Add New Row, click Connect. If you have multiple Google accounts, you might want to click Add New Connection, but I only have one here set up, so I'm just going to click Save. And then the important part here is it's going to automatically choose the last sheet that you set up, otherwise you might have to find the sheet, and it also gets the title column name. So what you need to do is click under the column box here, this input box, click Webhook Capture Webhook, and then click the data that you sent. And then click outside somewhere to get out of that menu, and then click Save and Send Test Request. Alright, took a little bit longer than expected, but here we go. Now it's directly connected to Pabbly, or Google Sheets, so now you can run the automation again, and it'll just go directly to Google Sheets, like that. Cool.